Hi there. So the kit I'm going to show you this time around is one called Deep in the Forest. So you might gather from that it's got an emphasis on greens and leaves and that kind of thing. It's a beautiful kit and it's absolutely packed with goodies. So if you want to see it closer, remember you can go over to memoriesandphotos.co.uk, which is my website. Go to shop and click on Scrapbox kits and type in Deep in the Forest or just page through them and you'll see that one on there. Remember though that the kits go out to club members first. So Scrapbox kit club members get these first, and any that are left over are then put on the shop for you to buy individually. But there are perks to being in the club. So just very quickly, you get extra things in the box that other people don't get. And you also get 10% off everything in the shop, but that includes residential retreats too. So you can save quite a bit of money. Anyway, let's get on to the kit. So Deep in the Forest, I shall walk through the printed pages first, and then I'll show you the rest of the kit. So I shall hold them up in true shopping channel fashion. These are absolutely stunningly beautiful. These are 240 GSM, so they're not paper, they're card. So they're a really nice thickness for cutting and working with. On the back, you've got an abstract pattern. The next one's, oh, excuse me, that's it, there we go. So that's your second set. So they've got more of a defined design on one side and then abstract on the other again. Set number 3. And on the back of this is green dots. There's always 2 of each in these kits. These ones are kind of wood, a kind of wood effect. Weathered wood, would we call that? Weathered wood. Another abstract on the back. And the final 2 pages. And it's got a beautiful kind of misty background. I love that. That's really nice. I don't know how well the colour's coming out, but that's kind of dark to mid greens and greys, but it's really beautiful. And additionally, you get a set of leaf wreaths to cut out if you like fussy cutting, or you can probably run those through your cutter, or just cut them out in a circle. Just do a circle around them. So you get that too. And then cardstock, you get, we call that olive green. No, there's the other olive green. There's 2 of those. And this one is deep green. There's a theme running through these. And this one is fern. So they're all shades of green. And then I've also given you 2 cream and 2 ivory. So that's all the 12 by 12 papers, but actually there's a lot more value in this kit because you've also got a whole pack of, what's 15 centimeters? 6. Hang on a minute. Yeah, 6 inches. So a whole pack of 6-inch printed card as well. And there are 24 sheets in here. And there's a neat trick with these, because they're 6 inches square. If you pick 4 of them for a layout, you can make a 12 by 12 page in 4 squares, if you see what I mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So really good value. These are also acid and lignin free. They're 250 grams weight. And there is another design. I think this side works better with the kit. The other side is also very nice as well. They're more repetitive designs on the back, whereas these ones are more landscape. I like these ones better, but these ones are also really cute. If you want to use leftovers for cards and things like that, these would be great. They work well for Christmas, I think, actually, because they've got trees on them and little animals. This one's particularly pretty. Look at that one. So you get all of those 24 sheets in the pack. Let's move on, because I'm waffling a bit now. So embellishments you get, and I'm not sure how well you can see these, but these, believe me, these are alphabets. So they're white alphabets, and you get 2 upper and 1 lowercase. You also get one of these, which is a little cutout tag to put on your page. You get, I'm going to hold it up against the alphabets. You get a set of see-through fern stickers to decorate your pages with. You get some beautiful washi tape. Washi tape is slightly see-through. You see there. And it tears really easily, so it's brilliant for working with, and it's repositionable. So if you don't like using tapes, because I don't know about you, but sometimes they seem to jump onto the page in the wrong place. This is brilliant. Have a clear stamp for you to use. And last but not least, a set of square paper embellishments. So these are ready cut to size, so you can just put them on your page. You want to make it easy. So there's 4 of each of those. So that's all the products that are in the kit. I think it's absolutely packed with value. There's so much in there in the way of card, but also embellishments too. But remember that all my kits come with a page layout sheet, so that you can get straight going if you're lacking a bit of inspiration. And they'll come with an organizer sheet as well. So if you want to sit in the evenings and plan out what you're going to do with each page, you can do that too. So that's a Deep in the Forest kit, Scrapbox kit. Go over to the website, memoriesandphotos.co.uk, look for Scrapbox kits, and you'll find it in there. And there's others in there as well. You'll be able to browse through them. That's all from me. Just remains for me to say happy scrapping. See you again soon. Bye.